Amendment 572, the clerk will read.
On page 28, after line 25, insert the following.
Last line.
Appropriations Acts. This act is null and void.
Gentleman from the 2nd District, Representative Barkis.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I move Amendment 572.
It has been moved and seconded that Amendment 572 be adopted. Representative Barkis.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Good news. Last amendment. This amendment is actually pretty simple. Comparative to some of the other ones, it's a null and void, and I think we all know what that means. It means that if the provisions aren't met within the context of the funding mechanisms, that it is null and void, the law. And this is an important amendment, Mr. Speaker, because as has been reiterated many, many times during the debate today, many things came to the point of conclusion and an agreement in putting together this mitigation fund. And the mitigation fund is reliant on funds being appropriated from a couple various budgets. And we all know how difficult things have been with our budgets this year. But it is reliant on that to make sure that this fund is made whole. Otherwise, it doesn't really do that much good to have a fund with no money in it. So, Mr. Speaker, I'm asking for the adoption of this because if that's not met, then this bill should not be there. Null and void, please help adopt this amendment.
Further remarks? Lady from the 27th District, Representative Jenkins.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. We concur.